Ever wish you had a trusty sidekick to catch all the wild and wacky moments on the road? Enter the dash cam, your car's new best friend. From capturing epic road trips to the occasional unexpected encounter with a squirrel, these little gadgets are revolutionizing the way we experience and document our journeys. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best dash cams on the market, so you can hit the road armed with evidence, entertainment, and a dash of style. Buckle up! Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website, consumerpicked.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Garmin Mini 2, our pick for best budget dash cam. Meet the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2, your new best friend that's also great at staying out of your way. This pint-sized marvel tucks away seamlessly behind your rear-view mirror, leaving your car's interior looking as sophisticated as your latest Instagram filter. Don't let its compact form fool you. It shoots in glorious full HD at 30 frames per second, complete with HDR magic. You'll be able to spot that rogue squirrel crossing your path, or at least capture the license plate of the driver who almost clipped you, no matter what Mother Nature throws your way. Installing it? A breeze! The discreet plastic arm doesn't hog any real estate on your windscreen, and thanks to the nifty ball and socket joint, you can angle it just right without breaking a sweat. And let's talk about the interface. No fancy schmancy display to distract you while driving. Just a couple of shortcut buttons to save clips and mute the mic with a quick tap. Easy peasy! Worried about missing a thing? The Garmin Drive app has your back, letting you tweak settings and review footage from the comfort of your phone. No need to pull over. Sure, it skips the GPS, but unless you're hunting for Jetson-like features, this cam is your trusty co-pilot for all your road adventures. It's the kind of technology you can set and forget, leaving you free to focus on what really matters: the open road and that perfect playlist. Number 4. Nexar Beam, our pick for best no-frills dash cam. Looking for a dash cam that won't empty your wallet while keeping you covered on the road? Meet the Nexar Beam, your new driving companion that combines budget-friendly pricing with a killer lineup of essential features. First off, let's talk peace of mind. With Parking Guardian and G-Sensor collision detection, this little gadget has your back, ensuring you don't have to stress about fender benders. Plus, it boasts advanced GPS connectivity that overlays data, so you can analyze your driving like a pro. You might even impress yourself. Now, here's where it gets really handy: the Nexar app. It whips up an insurance incident report faster than you can say accident. Footage, GPS coordinates, and all the nitty-gritty details are neatly organized to speed up those insurance claims. No more waiting on hold pleading your case. Worried about storage? Fret not. The 32GB option means you can save those crucial footages, while all G-Sensor locked data gets unlimited cloud storage. Accident? No problem. You'll have all the recordings at your fingertips. With 1080p resolution and a 135-degree field of view, the Nexar Beam captures everything around you. Easy for both Android and Apple users, it's the perfect way to up your safety game. Equip your ride with the Nexar Beam and cruise confidently into those daily adventures. Still searching for the perfect dash cam? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Vantrue N2 Pro, our pick for best dash cam for rideshare drivers. Meet the Vantrue N2 Pro, your trusty co-pilot that captures every moment on the road, both inside and outside your vehicle. It's like having a mini reality show at your fingertips, only way more thrilling and minus the dramatic music. With crisp 1080p video resolution, you'll get a front row seat to all the action, while the discreet design means it won't block your view. Sure, the buttons are a bit on the tiny side, and if you're dreaming of fancy driver assist features, this might not be your star performer. But who needs those when the N2 can detect crashes faster than you can say, "Oops!" and serve up a parking mode that springs into action if someone so much as sneezes near your car? And let's talk about you. Whether you're a rideshare warrior or just a concerned parent keeping tabs on a teenage driver, having an inside look can bring peace of mind. Bonus: Angle that internal camera as a rearview mirror replacement, and don't forget the time-lapse mode for those epic road trip montages. If you're searching for Wi-Fi and a companion app, this dashcam might not be your soulmate. But hey, less spending means more cash for snacks on your next drive. So buckle up and enjoy the ride with the N2 Pro, your video sidekick at an unbeatable price. Number 2. Rove R2-4K Pro, our pick for best dash cam for 4K video. Are you on the lookout for a dash cam that's more dependable than your morning coffee? Meet the Rove R2-4K Pro dash cam, your new road trip sidekick. With its stellar 4K video quality, you'll capture every detail of your adventures, whether it's a breathtaking sunset or the squirrel that almost took you out. Peace of mind? Yes, please. Setting it up is a breeze. Just pop in a micro SD card and you're ready to roll. No need for a PhD in technology here. Sure, it skips the touchscreen, but its easy-to-navigate interface means you won't need a treasure map to find your way around. And with dual-band Wi-Fi and built-in GPS, sharing your escapades and tracking your location becomes as easy as posting that adorable puppy pic on Instagram. Plus, the companion app is like your personal assistant, simplifying the process of accessing and downloading your recordings because who has time for fuss? At just 2.4 inches, this compact hero won't hog your windshield real estate. Because let's be real, your GPS deserves some love too. If you're all about documenting your drives without fussing over flashy features, the Rove R2-4K is your affordable companion, eager to capture the chaos and charm of your daily journeys. It's time to hit the road with confidence. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Vantrue N4, our pick for best dash cam overall. Meet the Vantrue N4, your new road trip sidekick. It's like having a trusty co-pilot who never gets tired, doesn't complain about the music, and best of all, keeps an eye on everything. The road ahead, the antics in the back seat, and even what's happening behind you. With this dash cam trifecta, your car is basically the surveillance vehicle of your dreams. The front camera rolls in at a stunning 2560 by 2160 pixels, giving you crystal clear evidence of just how bad that guy in the pickup truck was at parallel parking. Sure, when you switch on all 3 cameras, it drops to a respectable 2560 by 1440, but don't fret. You're still getting quality footage from the cabin and rear cameras at 1920 by 1080. That's practically Hollywood level for your day-to-day commute. And let's talk about low-light conditions. The cabin cameras got infrared lighting, which means even your midnight snack runs are captured in vivid detail. With a user-friendly screen featuring a picture-in-picture mode, you can channel your inner surveillance expert while the N4's collision and motion detection do their thing. Sure, low frame rate recording might give your battery a workout, but we both know you'll get that precious 6.7 hours of mischief on a 128GB micro SD card. In short, the Vantrue N4 is here to capture your adventures and your quirks, with a wink and a nod. Woo! We made it! That's a wrap! We hope you had a blast going through our list of best dash cams. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which dash cam you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.